Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I want to share with you guys a little something that I was playing around with. You guys know I love to make treat bags, and I got all this new ribbon, and I figured why not just play around with some stuff that I have. And I've also been printing tons of paper, which I've also shown, and I had the shine paper laying around, so I figured let's make some bags and decorate them a bit and then share it with you guys and how easy it is. I have a tutorial on my channel making treat bags, but I will make one with you guys super fast here and just show you guys how quickly I put these together and how fun they look. And you can fill them with ephemera for your pen pals. You can put stickers inside of them. You can put whatever you want, enamel dots, and just send your pen pal some goodies in a very cute way. Or you can also package them all up and give them as a pack of the bags to a friend or as a gift. So I'm going to show you guys the ones that I created here, and then I'll get into making some with you guys. So here's the first bag, and like I said, it's Maggie Holmes Shine, and this is the shine paper, and this one is an ephemera piece from Chasing Dreams. This is that ribbon from Hobby Lobby that is like all over Instagram and YouTube right now. It's very popular. These little flowers right here are from Michaels. They clearanced them out about a month ago. These leaves are also from Michaels. It's from the wedding section that was also clearanced out. And the holographic doily is from Michaels as well. It's the new Martha Stewart collection. This is what the bag looks like on the other side. I think it turned out so cute. Here's another one. I feel like it's blurry. And it's also using the Maggie Holmes Shine paper. The little ephemera piece is from Maggie Holmes Chasing Dreams. Pink doily is just a regular doily from Michaels. Some enamel dots. This one I chose to like zigzag the top. Then we have the mint green little trim, and then the same flower that I did for all of them. And this is the back of that bag. Then we have this one with the yellow paneling paper from Maggie Holmes Shine as well. Well, all the papers in these bags are Maggie Holmes Shine. Same thing, the trim, the flower, and just a different ephemera piece. I wanted to use those ephemera pieces from my haul that my friend sent me, so I figured why not put them on the bags. And then there's this one, which is my favorite. It's got the pink. I used some gold leaves from the Flourish collection ephemera pack. And then just a white doily and a cute little pink ephemera piece. And then that's the bag. They're super cute and super fun, you guys. Let me bring the focus back down. So let me show you guys real quick how I make these bags. You guys know that I print out my own paper. So let's use this one. This little mint green one. The light color is pretty. So when I print it out, I get like an 8x8 that looks like this. I use the same paper. I don't cut it down for anything. All I do is grab my trimmer and scoreboard, and then I just flip the paper and I just do about an inch. I don't really measure. I just do about an inch, and I score right there. And then I fold my paper in half. Like I'll do one half right here. And then I'll leave about a quarter of an inch just so that I can have somewhere to put adhesive. And close it up. And then you're left with something that looks like this. And then you have that score line that you made earlier right here. Then what I do is I cut off these two little rectangles. Super simple, you guys. And then you're left with something that looks like this. Then you want to seal your bag. So you grab whatever adhesive you have or you want. I'm using my ATG gun. We're going to close that up. And then you're left with something that looks like this. So you don't have any bulk. What you're going to want to do is at an angle, just cut off kind of like a little triangle shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you're left with something that looks like that. You grab your adhesive to close that bottom flap. And now your little tree bag is closed. Oops. You determine whatever size you want your bag to be. You can use any type of scissor, decorative scissor if you want. Right now I'm just going to do a straight line. And we're going to take this off. And there's my little bag. And that's how I make my little tree bag. And then you decorate it however you want. But I'm going to show you guys how I did these, how I decorated these. So I already have my bag here with the same line, the Maggie Holmes Shine. I added my gold doily. And we're going to add the little piece of trim right here just to make it look super cute. All I do is add some hot glue to the back. Super easy, you guys. Then you grab your trim and you place it right there. And then what I do is I grab these leaves. These are the leaves that I found at Michael's in the wedding section. And I just take two. And what I do is I just cut the stems off. Completely, because I don't really need them. And then I take, where's my flowers? Great, I misplaced my flowers. You guys, I lost my flowers. Where did I put them? You guys are probably like, they're right there. That's happened to me so many times. Okay, I found them. These are the flowers that I'm using. I have like 2 left. So what I do is, it has like a little adhesive there. I just add some more hot glue to that little sticky back. And then I put the leaves, I place the leaves however I want them. So I'll look to see how I want the leaves to lay. And that's good. And then we're going to place it onto the project. But I'm going to add some more glue so that it stays. And you're just going to want to place it wherever you want to place it on the ribbon. And look at that difference, you guys. How pretty does this bag look? Isn't that super sweet? I love that way that turned out. The color combination on this bag is my favorite. And then you can just add like a little piece of ephemera. I'm going to add this little love you right there because I think it looks super cute. And you guys, these are so fun to make and share with your pals, like to fill them up and just send your stuff in a cute way. And that's it, you guys. Look at that. How fast was that? And one other thing that you can do, you guys, is, like I said, I print my paper out and I print vellum. You can make little vellum bags. These are different little vellum bags that I've made that you can also fill with goodies and stuff like that. And they're made exactly the same way. And I get my vellum on eBay. I just type in vellum, a bunch of packs come out. But yeah, you guys, that is my video for today, showing you guys some Maggie Holmes Shine goodie bags. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.